said you gotta
Put her in Chanel. Put her in Chanel.
How you say you love me, you ain't for me in Chanel. How you say you love me, you ain't for me in Chanel. How you say you love me, you ain't for me.
Hey everyone, Minnie's Handbags here and welcome. If you guys like watching unboxings, bag reveals, accessories, and a little bit of fashion, and please make sure to go ahead and click that subscribe button. Today guys, I am coming to you with a I Love Dooney unboxing. So here is the box. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and dive into this unboxing. Now as I am unboxing, let me tell you a little bit about my purchase. Now this particular bag did show up on I Love Dooney on sale, and one, I love the silhouette, but also because of the color. I've been wanting this color in my collection for a little minute now, and it's also on my handbag goals list for 2026 of colors and bags that I want to pick up. So I definitely was excited. Now I'm a little bit nervous because I'm not sure if it is going to be as bright as I'm hoping it is, y'all, but let's keep our fingers crossed and hope that it is. Okay. Oh y'all, I'm nervous. All right. So this is my receipt, and I will make sure to put the price somewhere on the screen, but oh my gosh, y'all, she is so pretty. Oh my goodness. Yes. Y'all, I am loving the color. All right, y'all. So this is my Penrose Satchel in the color orange, y'all. Now, I've been wanting an orange satchel for a little minute, and when I saw this one pop up on I Love Dooney, I definitely had to snag her. The price was phenomenal for this particular bag. Now, I believe this is in the medium size, not the large. And I will pull out my, I think I do have a couple of medium Pebble green satchels, so I will pull that out to do a comparison on the sizes in a few minutes. But let's go ahead and pull her out of the plastic, y'all. Now, like I said, I am keeping my eye on the colors that Dooney is dropping this year for their satchels, because I do have a list of colors that I do want to pick up, and it really doesn't matter whether it's in Florentine Pebble Green or even the Penrose collection, as long as it's this silhouette. All right, and this one was 15 of 25. And I'll bring that up so that you guys can see that. Okay. And this is the tag on it. Now, the tag doesn't say Penrose, but this is a Penrose satchel. But the tag just says satchel. Okay, and it is in the color orange. Y'all, she is gorgeous. This is such a nice, smooth leather. Now, I feel like this is even smoother than my Florentine satchels, y'all. Definitely smoother than my Florentine. Now, she do have a few wrinkles here and there, if you guys can see that. And a little bit on the back. But definitely nothing that would make me say she has to go back. Okay, so let's get into the details of this beautiful bag, y'all. So she does come with the whip stitch top handles here. So I'm going to go ahead and take the plastic off of that so that you guys can see that. It does have the whip stitch handles, and I believe that's in like that brown tomorrow color as well. And I just love these whip stitch handles on these bags. And even though the handles are whip stitch, just FYI, I know I've never probably mentioned this before, but it is very comfortable in your hands, even though it's whip stitch, because it's that rolled handle as well too. And it does come with the braided zipper pull here as well. All right, so that is the braided zipper pull. And the zipper track on this one is not black, y'all. It's in that color brown tomorrow, and I'll try to bring it up so you guys can see it. But do y'all see that? That's not in black. It's in the brown tomorrow, just like the whip stitching on the handles. And this one does come with the tassels as well too. Now the tassels on these ones are not like how they are on the Florentine, because the Florentine does have the suede lining, underlining on their tassels. This one is the same color, so it's all Penrose leather for the tassels on the side. So now that I have all the wrapping on, let me share the tassels with you so that you can see. It's all leather, same color as the bag on both sides. And then, of course, it does have the equestrian buckle detailing on the front and the back of the bag. All the hardware on this bag is in gold, including the gold Dooney and Bourke nameplate on the front. And it does have like this lighter shade of tan for the handles and the equestrian scraps on the front and back. And of course, she does come with 4 feet. Now normally it will have like the same tan script going across the bottom, but this one does not. It just has the full 4 gold feet here on the bottom. So let's go ahead and take a peek on the inside, y'all. Now this one does come with the dust bag as well, just in case you're one who stores your bag in a dust bag. Now here is the crossbody for this one. So let's go ahead and check out the crossbody on it. And is this a 3-part? No. So this is the 2-part crossbody. It can be adjusted here. So that you can make it into a longer or shorter crossbody. I will be threading mine through like I normally do to make this into a short shoulder, because that's how I carry all of my satchel bags. All right, so the setup in the inside is a little bit different as well too. So if you guys can see in there, it does have the Penrose leather script here on the top. The Florentine one has the green suede. This one is leather, so it does have it on both sides. And then the lining in the inside is that red lining as well too. Now it does come with the leather Dooney and Bourke patch here on that back wall right above the zip and slip, and that zip and slip is trimmed in that tan leather as well too. And then on the front side, you get one, on the front side, you do get one large slip pocket back here as well too. And it is trimmed in that leather on the top as well. And then you also get your key leash. But yeah, and I love the stitching on this bag as well too. It's like a off-white stitching on the bag as well. It does have the piping on the side, and look at that pleat, y'all. I just love that pleat that's on both sides of the bag. Absolutely gorgeous. And the opening is pretty nice. That is probably like one of my only cons on this silhouette is the opening, because some of them don't open very wide. So the smaller you go in the bag, the harder it is to get in and out of the bag. But the larger ones open up really, really wide. And that's why I love the larger size. Now this would probably be like a medium size. So let me grab my... Alright, so this is my Pebble green, one right here, and this is the Penrose. So they pretty much almost look about the same size. So hopefully you guys can see that on the bottom. And just keep in mind that the Penrose is not stuffed, so it is kind of flattening out. But width-wise, it looks about the same size as the Pebble Green one does. So I'm pretty much assuming that these two are the same exact size. So the price on this bag is going currently right now as of today, which is Sunday, March the 15th. This bag is going for $1.99 on I Love Dooney. This is a full grain cowhide leather, and like I said, it is very smooth and soft. And then the handle drop on this one is 4.5 inches. So that is the handle drop on this. And the crossbody on this one is 19 inches at its longest. And the height of the bag, guys, is going to be 8 inches. The length of the bag is 13 inches. And then the depth of the bag is going to be 5.75 inches. Okay, so you do get a nice bottom on this bag, and I do love a bag that has over at least 5 inches on the bottom as far as the depth go, because that lets me know that I'll be able to fit all of my essentials in this bag without everything being all tight and bunched up together. This is my Penrose Satchel. This is the first Penrose Satchel that I have in my collection. Y'all, I absolutely love this silhouette, and I'm so glad that I was able to get a nice, beautiful, bright orange satchel in my collection. I would have loved for this bag to be just a little bit bigger, but I'm more than sure that this bag is going to hold all of my essentials, and super excited, y'all. Like, I am so excited that this color turned out to be as bright as I was hoping it would be, and I can finally cross off that I have a orange satchel in my collection, y'all. So yes, kudos to me, y'all. I am super excited. I do believe that ILD only has the orange color available, so if you want to get your hands on this color, y'all, I'm telling y'all, go ahead and run over to I Love Dooney. I will make sure to leave the link to this bag down below for you guys, so you'll have easy access to just click on the link, add the cart, and check out. Because for $1.99 for this gorgeous bag and this leather, you can't beat that, y'all. So definitely check this bag out. Also, let me know if you have any of the Penrose leather bags in your collection from Dooney and Bourke. Let me know down in the comments. If you stuck with your girl this far, guys, please make sure to go ahead and drop some green hearts down below. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Like this video as well as share. And until the next time, guys, please make sure to stay focused and determined on achieving your goals for the day. And I will see you lovelies in my next video. Bye.
Told you that I love you. Would you tell me that you love me back? What if I told you that I miss you? Would you tell me that you miss me back? What if I told you that I need you? Would you tell me that you need me? Yeah. If I tell you all my feelings, would you believe me? Yeah. What if I told you that I love you? Yeah. What if I told you that I love